Hi guys, Ryan Amato. We're going to talk about kitchen cabinet estimates and how do I get one. I get asked this question all the time. How much will my kitchen cabinets cost? So that's easy. We do not have to come out to give you a proposal for your kitchen cabinets. And the reason really is because every job's almost the same. So you want to head over to our website, ryanamatopainting.com, that we're on right here. We're going to click on schedule estimate and you'll see online estimate. You want to click on online estimate. Once that pops up, it's going to take you to a page over here where you're going to see a bunch of different things. So interior, exterior painting, we want to click on cabinet painting form. Once that pops up, you're going to see, a bunch of different information about kitchen cabinets. You're going to see some pictures from other jobs. If you're looking for all of our pictures, you want to head over to our Instagram page. That's basically where we put everything. Everything's on there. So here's the form that you want to fill out. You want to scroll down to it. We need all your information. Your full name, first and last name, your email, a real email, and a phone number, because this is where your proposal is going to go to, and your text messages that you may receive. We need your actual address. And down here, we want to know what is the current finish of your cabinets. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Are they brand new? Are they painted? Are they clear coated or stained? That's going to tell us how we're going to prepare your cabinets. In your words, we want to know a little bit about your project and about your goals for the project. What are your hopes and dreams? What do you want the finished product to look like? We want to know when you want the project completed. Typically, we're about 4 weeks out scheduling, sometimes longer, sometimes shorter, but not often. How many cabinet doors and how many cabinet drawers are there? That's really important. We need an accurate count to give you an accurate estimate. The guys will confirm this once the job starts, and we'll have to make any adjustments there as needed. Do your cabinets have an island or peninsula? That's simply yes or no. And we're going to keep going down. Do you have a budget for this project? I know a lot of people get squeamish on letting us know about the budget, but it's super important. We can save a lot of time knowing what your budget is. It's the same as when you're shopping for a house. If you're looking for a house and your budget's $125,000, you're not looking at $400,000 homes. Same with cars. If your budget is for a used car, you're not looking at brand new BMWs or other brand new cars. So typically, you're going to be looking for kitchen cabinet jobs between $2,500 and $5,000, sometimes more, not oftentimes less. How many colors do you have in mind for this project? It's really important to know this. Sometimes people like to paint their island a different color, and that's a great look. Costs a little bit more, not much. And then basically, do your cabinets have any unique items such as a wine rack, glass front, or any other things like that? The reason we ask that is because it's a little harder painting in between those wine racks. We have to get in all those little nooks and crannies. And if you have a glass front, like I do at my house, some people like to paint behind them so you can't see. In my experience, you're not going to see much of it anyway, because usually people have things behind those glass fronts. So it's up to you. If you want to paint behind them, it's a little more expensive. Like I said, I left mine go. And then there's little spaces here that leave some pictures. We love pictures. It's not really necessary, but any information is great. Once you have all that filled out, you click submit. Our office will get this proposal. Typically, we'll get a price back to you the same day. If not, definitely the next day. So if you have any questions from there, just let us know. Once you let us know that you want to do the job, you just click accept on your proposal, and we get the ball rolling. We get you all scheduled up, and you're good to go. So that's why we don't have to come out to do a kitchen cabinet estimate. And it's a real quick way not to waste any of your time. You don't have to call off of work. You don't have to go in late. You don't have to wait around for somebody to show up to give you a proposal. And it lets you know right away what's in your budget. All right. Thank you.